Awesome.
Good afternoon and welcome to another wonderful World in Technology. I am your humble host, Sheshwati Ramtahal, and I'm here to tell you all about this brand new exciting product that we have called T.E.I.T.H. Yes, that's correct, T.E.I.T.H. But first, let me ask you some questions. Are you bored? Do you have absolutely nothing to do with your life right now? Do the following statements perfectly define your day? You know, nothing to do, nowhere to go, no one to talk to. Here's the $1,000,000 question. Are you bored of being stuck at home? If your answer to these questions is no, then, well, I advise you to refer to commandment number 9. But if you answered yes to these questions, then I have the perfect product for you, guaranteed to change your life forever. But before we get into the product, I have some friends here that will tell you all about T.E.I.T.H. and how it has impacted their lives. All right, our first honorary user is Jenny Fishwater. Jenny, welcome. Good afternoon, Jenny. How are you?
Hi, I'm Jenny.
Hi, Jenny. Can you tell us how using T.E.I.T.H. has an impact on your life?
Hi, I'm Jenny.
Okay, yes, Jenny. I understand. You are Jenny. The viewers see that you are Jenny. But Jenny, I want you to tell me, how has using T.E.I.T.H. make a difference in your life?
Hi, I'm Jenny.
Okay. Thank you, Jenny. You may exit. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Jenny is clearly speechless. You know, this product has helped us so much that she can't stop smiling. Our product T.E.I.T.H. has unlimited benefits. Firstly, it's the most educational thing where you can find tons and tons of information about anything and everything. You can learn to be exposed to new and incorrect concepts and ideas that completely changes your view of what you thought you already knew. So let's welcome our second honorary user, Pete. That's his name, Pete Dumgaloo. Let's welcome Pete. Hi Pete, how are you? Thank you for joining us.
And it's Dungaloo.
Oh, Dumgaloo. Pete, can you tell the audience, our listening viewers, how has T.E.I.T.H. impacted on your life?
Because of T.E.I.T.H, I learned that the moon is actually made of cheddar cheese and that 1 plus 1 is actually 0.
Who knew, right? 1 plus 1 is actually 0. You see, guys, this is not dangerous at all. I assure you. Experts actually use this sophisticated phrase to describe how T.E.I.T.H. works. They call it washing of the brain. Isn't that amazing? Yes, washing of the brain. Another benefit is that you can meet amazing people who also use T.E.I.T.H. Your chances of meeting someone dangerous are absolutely 0. Jenny, and you had a friend? Come, tell us.
Yeah, that's true. I now have a friend called Scammer who had to send money to find his lost pet named Doodlebird.
Doodlebird? Alright, our product teeth is so addictive. I mean, engaging so that you never have time to be bored or do anything at all. Right, Pete?
Yeah, that's true. I spend hours upon hours on teeth. I can't even remember the last time I bathed, cupped, cleaned, brushed my teeth, or done anything at all. Perfectly safe.
Okay, what else has T done for you?
Teeth is so amazing that I no longer have time for my family or even to argue with my brother. Wait, where's my brother? Who cares?
Okay, but don't worry. It's perfectly safe. Get Teeth today. Teeth. The enemy inside the home. Yes, that will cure your boredom for good. So take care now until we have another amazing and exciting product. I'm your host, Sheshwati Ramtahal, saying good night and goodbye.
Bye, I'm Jenny.